Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I spotted a surprise today. A couple weeks ago when I looked at this thing, I thought it was dead from the winter freezes. This is our pear tree. And just a couple weeks ago it didn't have any leaves on it. The green you see at the top there is mostly a vine that I need to get off. And I happened to look over today, and this thing is loaded with flowers. It's also loaded with bees. They sure are liking these flowers. And it looks like we're going to have a bumper crop of pears this year. I guess there must be something to that concept of chill hours. This tree certainly got some chill hours this last winter. And now it's showing for it. Yep, looks like I'll be picking some pears when I get back from Mom's this year. Okay, just a short video. Found something interesting to point the camera at today. So I'll see you next time.